so what we're doing today is mixing our pre-ferment for our bread. So I do this the night before, so it ferments overnight. I've got water, starter and flour. I'm making a 500 gram loaf, so I'm starting with 250 grams of flour, some starter and some water, doing 70% hydration. So that means 70% of 250 is 175. So 175 grams of water in here. I'm going to add 50 grams of starter. Grams of starter, active starter, so it should have been bubbling, and you can have maybe fed it like 4 hours ago or so. So just basically dispersing the starter in the water. So adding my flour. I've got a mix: 125 grams of whole wheat, 125 grams of bread flour, both strong bread flours in here. I'm just going to add that to a bowl. And literally just incorporate it. You're not looking to build any gluten structure or anything like that here. What you want is for your yeast to start growing and for your flavour and your bread to start developing. So you literally just stir it until you've got some homogeneous mixture. Using one of these nice practical spatulas. See, it's quite wet, 70%. Quite wet. Supposedly, you get more of a sour flavour with wetter doughs. Maybe more lactic acid builds this one. We'll see how this loaf turns out. Alright, so there you have it. So that looks that way. I'm just gonna, because this is gonna be left overnight, make sure it's well moistened all over so you don't get dry patches of dough. So just wash on the surface there. There we go. And cover it up. Beeswax wrap.